We are learning about AWS Lambda. We have learned handler function, event object, context object, and now we're moving ahead with learning about callback function or callback parameter. So what is a callback parameter or callback object? You can call it object because it is placed as an object in the handler function. It is a parameter for a handler and it is used as a function. So anything is valid. Uh, where event object was the first object to get started with after trigger, then comes context object, and as it proceeds, the callback parameter or object is the exit point of your lambda function. A callback parameter returns something. It callback parameter in handler function is optional. It is not compulsory as event and context. If you do not set callback, then it means callback is called without any parameter. A callback is generated by the lambda itself when you don't pass any value. So a callback parameter function has two parameters, first parameter and second parameter, and it could be written in two ways. The first way for error, when you uh, when you are interested in passing an error, just provide one parameter, which would be an error parameter without any null value in the callback method. If you want to pass a success value, then you must pass in a format where uh, null is placed as the first parameter and object value, the success result, is placed as the second variable, second argument. This is a method to pass callback. These are four types of callback uses of callback parameter in ways that we can use to print result, error, or simple information. When you do not write explicitly any parameter or argument in the callback function, it indicates the success without any information returned to the caller. It does not return any information. When you place null in the callback method or function, it indicates the success, but no information is returned to the caller, as above. When you place null as first argument and success as second argument, or any value for the success, it indicates the success with information returned to the caller, the information that you pass as the second argument. When you write error in the callback method, it indicates the error information returned to the caller. So this was the syntax. Now a brief demonstration how it works. As we can see here, if we don't write any callback method, the execution result prints success and returns null. No value is returned. Then when we write an error message, it throws an error message. The execution results are shows the failed result and prints the string that is passed as an error message via callback. And when we set um, two arguments, the response argument, it displays the response argument and prints success. For this, we have created a variable and assigned values, key value pairs, and want to print that response. So it shows the entire code on the log string. Similarly, when we want to print error message as a response variable, as any variable name, it will show us the result, the failed result, the error log, and the message is termed as the object type object. So this is the callback parameter, and we have learned about the three objects, the event, context, and callback, and now we can implement a simple solution. You must try give a headshot to Lambda function, create a Lambda function, use these three objects within the handler method, and write a simple Lambda function for a wide range of triggers like S3, RDS, DynamoDB, API Gateway, and so on. It is not very difficult, but a practice makes the man perfect. Here it fits best. So we need to write Lambda functions, and later we will learn different applications that we can develop using serverless computing with AWS Lambda. So till then, keep learning and keep moving ahead.